How to delete AI Flashcard account. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings to access your profile options. Next, go to Account Settings, where you will find options for managing your account. Here you will see the Delete button. The app will notify you that your account will be archived for 30 days before it is permanently deleted, along with all your flashcards, study progress, and personal data. Once you tap on Delete, you will see a screen labeled Request Account Deletion. Tap on it to proceed. Then choose the reason for deleting your account and hit Next. Finally, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Now you know how to safely delete your Knowt AI Flashcard account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.